hope I didn't curse everybody in Louisiana by buying a GoPro camera, because ever since I got this thing, it's been raining on and off for the last 3 weeks. I'm trying to make a good crappie video for y'all today, but I don't know if y'all can tell, but the waters came up about 6 feet here where we're fishing at. Got a heck of a current. Water's muddy as can be. I'm having a hard time finding crappie, but I'm gonna keep on trying. Maybe we can get a few in the boat today. Hope we can give some a little boat ride. But y'all stay tuned, pay attention, see if I can't figure this out. I'm trying to learn as we go myself. Oh yeah, that's a snap. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for right there. Get my handy tool out. Yeah. That's it, y'all. That's what we're looking for right there. Slabs. That fish is 13 inches long. That's going in the pot. Come on, baby. Come on in. We'll go for a boat ride? Go for a boat ride. There we go. We'll go for a boat ride. You can ride right there. We almost tried to not go on a boat ride. Get over here. First class ticket for the boat ride. Alright, we ain't catch nothing here. Time to move on. Slab, but he'll do. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'll take him all day long. Oh! To it, but it's 10 inches, so we're gonna eat it. White bass. This may end up being a 2 or 3 day video, or at least all the footage you're going to see is going to take place in 2 or 3 days. My buddy Marshall's coming up this evening. We'll probably be over 2 or 3 different lakes we're going to have to go to. Who knows how many spots we're going to have to fish. It's been tough lately, but we're going to make a mess. Y'all stay tuned. All right.